Good evening, class. Okay, give me 1 second. All right. Let's see. Okay, good evening, class again. Okay, it's nice to see you guys again tonight. Hopefully, you guys also are feeling the same, excited to continue the lesson for the day. And then, let's see. So, let's just continue to the lesson that we were left off last week. All right, so this. Okay. All right, so today we are still learning about the chapter 18 about meeting people. Okay. Okay. Right, there you go. Okay, so chapter 18 talking about how is Tom meeting with Anna in a seminar, okay, and then how they strike a conversation, and then what else? And then how they're talking about giving each other the suggestion about taking another seminar to improve themselves, okay, and then also they're talking about their company's business, okay, so all those things, okay. Let's do the role plays. All right. So I need 8 volunteers for this role, please. Okay. May you raise your hands. I'll assign the parts for you. Okay. And then new voices will be really excited. Okay. Let's learn together. This is the place where you are free to make mistakes, and then we'll learn from that mistakes. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right, I'll have Mr. Amin taking care of Tom's dialogue number 1 until number 4. Miss Fu will do Anna number 1 until number 3. And then, okay. Okay, let's see. All right, anyway, I'll switch Miss Fu, okay? Miss Fu will take care of Tom's number 5 until number 7. Meanwhile, Miss Lily is taking care of Anna's number 1 until number 3. And then I'll have Shirley taking care of Anna number 4 until number 6. 4 more spots available while waiting for the rest of the class to join and get themselves ready. Okay, let's review some of the words, phrases that I need you guys to pay extra attention. That way you guys can pronounce it correctly. Okay, let's check on Tom's dialogue number 2. The word is pretty. Okay, pretty. This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay. Then we have dialect number 2 on Anna is Prentice Hall. Prentice Hall always delivers good seminars. Okay. Then Anna's number 5, the word is signed. Sign up. Okay, and then the other one is delegate. You need to sign up for the learn how to delegate seminar. Sign up, delegate. Then next on Anna's number 7, the word is specialized in and computers. Computers. Most of the T, okay, kebanyakan dari kata-kata yang T-nya itu di bagian ekor ya, hampir mendekati huruf terakhir, itu dilafalkan bunyinya itu seperti D dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke, okay? Like computers. Oke. Okay? Bukan computers. Oke. Okay? Jadi agak berbeda dengan bahasa Indonesia ya. Computers. Oke. Okay? We specialized in repairing computers. Then next. And then also the other word that sounds like the D, okay, itu adalah pretty, okay. Listen, instead of pretty, it's instead of pretty or pretty, it's pretty, okay. Nah, itu dua T-nya itu adalah hampir di suku kata yang di suku kata terakhir, oke? Okay? Nah, itu T-nya itu selalu berbunyi seperti D. Next. Anna number 9, the word is busy. We need to keep our employees busy. Next. 10 Anna. Ah, ini juga ya, T-nya ini adalah suku kata terakhir, oke? Jadi dibacanya seperti kedengaran seperti huruf D dalam bahasa Indonesia, oke? Frustrating instead of frustrating, frustrating, oke? Dan juga di sini kata sitting, idle instead of sitting, oke? It's sitting idle, okay? Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. Okay. Kemudian Enas number 11, okay? 10:30 a.m. instead of em, okay? Jadi nggak ada kata keterangan waktu ya em, oke? Yang adanya adalah am dan pm, okay? And then next on Tom's number 12, the word is workplace, tempat kerja, okay? Workplace. Okay. The topic of the next session, how to make positive impression on others and gain visibility and influence in the workplace, seems to be really interesting. Nah, kemudian untuk kata-kata yang T terdengar seperti D itu kebanyakan, oke? Bukan semuanya ya. Sekitar 85%. Oke, jadi coba dilatih pendengarannya saat mendengar orang-orang mengucapkan kata-kata yang pakai T, suku kata terakhirnya. Oke? Alright guys, I have 4 more spots available for you guys to grab for the roles play. Okay. For the role play, I need 4 more volunteers. You may raise your hands and I assign to you guys, okay? Jadi untuk percakapan ini saya membutuhkan 4 lagi yang bersedia untuk membacakan. Oke, terlibat dalam percakapan ini. Oke, jadi silakan angkat tangan. Nanti saya akan memberikan bagian, menunjukkan bagian mana yang menjadi yang harus dibacakan. Okay, you don't need to memorize it. All right. See Miss Fanny here. I'll have Miss Fanny taking care of Tom's number 8 until number 10. Okay. We'll wait until 7:15, okay, for 3 more people. I need 3 more volunteers. Okay, since this is a conversation class, okay, it's just suggestible that you guys do the conversation. Okay, conversation. Jadi ini adalah kelas percakapan, jadi harus diucapkan. Okay, so it's gonna be more beneficial for you guys when you pronounce it. Join the role plays that way. I can help you review whether it's which part that you need extra help. Okay, let's see. After the role plays, we may continue with the comprehension test, guys. Okay, you guys finish until number E already last week. Okay, so we still have until N. All right. Let's see. Three more spots available. Okay. Let's wait for the rest of the class to get them their self ready. Got a connection, everything. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay then. All right, I see one more. All right, I'll have Jane. Jennifer's taking care of Anna's number 7 until 9. Okay, 2 more spots. None. Okay. Since no more, I'll assign double. 2. Give me 1 second, okay? All right. Then Tom's number 11 until 12 will be taken care by Miss Fu. Okay. And then Anna's number 10 until 11 is taken care by Miss Lily. Okay, let me repeat again before you guys start, all right? So Tom's number 1 until number 4 taken care by Mr. Amin. Miss Lily is doing Anna's number 1 until number 3. And then Miss Fu is doing Tom's number 1 and number 5 until number 7. Okay. Shirley is doing Anna's number 4 until number 6. And meanwhile, Tom's number 8 until number 10 is taken care by Miss Penny. And Jennifer is doing Anna's number 7 until number 9. Miss Fu is taking care of Tom's number 11 and 12. Miss Lily will close it with Anna's number 10 and 11. All right. Excuse me. Allow me to unmute you guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Miss Lily. Good evening, Miss Fu. How you guys doing? Okay.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Penny. How's the weather today?
Good evening,
Raining.
Miss Susan.
Hi, Shirley. Yes,
Hi,
raining
Miss.
also. Is it raining everywhere there in your
Yes,
city,
raining
guys?
here.
Yes, raining.
Miss.
I know, raining
Good
now.
evening, Miss Susan.
Hi, Mr. Amin. How you doing?
I'm fine. It's
Yeah,
very cold
excellent.
today.
Yes. Yeah, raining everywhere all over Indonesia. Hi, Jane. How's work? But hopefully not flooded, right?
Yes.
today.
Okay, everybody's safe, no flood. Okay, that's really good. Okay, guys. Times is yours. You may start with Mr. Amin.
Okay. Number 1.
Yes,
I cannot
please.
see the upstairs.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 second. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes, there you go.
I'm Tom.
I am Anna.
This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh?
Yes, I like it. Prentice Hall always delivers good seminars. All of its speakers are very well known and also very knowledgeable in the subject matter. Did you attend the seminar on leadership in Long Beach last January?
I missed that one. Who was the speaker?
John Miller. He is the author of 7 Habits of a Good Leader. It was a great seminar. John gave us tons of information on how to deal with employees. You should sign up for that seminar next year.
I'm very interested in the subject of the leadership. I was promoted to the position of supervisor a few months ago, and I have to manage a staff of 10 people. I can be quite a difficult situation sometimes. It is the reason why I am here today.
Next is Miss Anna number 4. Shirley.
Okay.
Okay.
Same here. I only have 7 people reporting to me. Yet, sometimes I feel like pulling my hair out. I need to find a way to create harmony and cooperation within my department.
I also need to learn how to better manage my workload. I always run out of time. It seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter.
You need to sign up for the learn how to delegate seminar. It is coming next month.
Let's see whether I will have any free time next month. I know sometime next month I will have to go to Texas on a business trip.
By the way, what is your company doing?
Oh, we produce office equipment such a calculator and fax machine. How about yours?
7, Jane, Jennifer.
Are in the service business. We specialize in repairing computers.
Our business lately.
It's pretty slow like now. Just like any other company, we are quite affected by this slowing economy.
Business is slow with my company too. However, people are saying that it should pick up anytime now.
Let's hope so. We need to keep our employees busy.
I have some very talented employees, and I would like to keep their minds sharp. They tend to be bored with things slow down, and that is not good.
Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. The days seem so long.
I had those types of days. Luckily, it is not that bad in our company. Besides, we are in the process of updating our computer system, and we can use this slow period to finish the process.
Good for you. Oh, 10:30 a.m. already. I guess our break time is over.
The topic of the next season, how to make positive impression on other and gain visibility and influence in the workplace, seems to be really interesting. We better not miss any part of it. Let's get back to our seat so that we can learn how to bring out the best in ourselves as well as our employees.
Okay, very good, guys. Okay, well done. Okay, so today you guys really pay attention to all the underlined words and phrases. So all those are pronounced correctly. Okay, as expected. Okay, so just one word. Maybe it's a long sentence, or maybe Miss Fu missed it. Okay, so actually right here, Tom's number 11, the word is I hate. I hate those types of days. Okay, the word is hate. Okay, all right, so that's it. Correction that for today. Very good. Okay, let's have Miss Fu repeat after me. I hate those types of days.
I hate those type of days.
Hate.
Hate.
Yes.
Hate.
Okay.
I hate those type of days.
Yes. Types with the S, so those types of days. Yes, plurals also. Both double plurals here. All right, very good. Miss Fu, have any question?
No question. Thank
Okay,
you.
very good. You're doing great today. Thank you. All right. Good for you, all of you guys. Okay, excellent. Improving lots. Okay. Now let's continue to comprehension test, guys. Okay. So last week we already discussed about the comprehension tense number 1 and number 8 to number E. Now let's continue with number F, guys. So the F question is, what does Anna want to have within her department? Okay. What does Anna want to have within her department? Apa yang diinginkan Anna terjadi di dalam departemen yang dipimpin oleh dia? Okay. All right. Let's hear from Shirley.
Okay.
All
What
right.
does Ina want to have within her department? Can I see the text?
Sure. Let's check it out together. What Anna said about her department. Okay. I think it's on the first page. All right. Let's say Anna. Anna number 4.
Anna need to find a way to create harmony and cooperation within her department.
Okay, got it. Let's go back to the question. All right, there you go. Second. Okay, so Anna wants, wants to have
harmony
harmony and
cooperation.
Okay, within
her
department. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right, there you go. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Shirley. Okay. Okay, there you go. Next, continue to number G. Why should Tom learn to better manage his workload? Why should Tom learn to better manage his workload? Oke, mengapa Tom itu harus belajar untuk memperbaiki kapasitas kerjanya? Oke. Okay, let's see what he says there. Oh, okay. Let's see who wants to try. Let's see. Okay, let's hear from Miss Lily.
Why should Tom learn to better manage his workload?
Workload.
Because
Okay.
He always run out of time.
Should learn to better
manage his workload. Because he always run out of time.
Very good. I also agree. Because he always runs out of time. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Miss Lily. Okay, number H. Oke, karena dia itu selalu kekurangan waktu gitu. Maksudnya pekerjaannya itu tidak selesai tepat waktu. Oke. Then let's move on to number 8. What are the products of Tom's company? Oke. Apa yang produk apa yang diproduksi oleh perusahaan Tom? Produk apa? Oke, hasil akhirnya. Okay, number 8. Let's hear from Mr. Amin.
Okay, Miss. What
Okay.
the products of Tom company? Tom's company product office equipment, such calculation, and fax machine.
Okay, so the products of Tom's company are office
Product
equipment
such
such
calculator,
as calculators and
and fax machine.
fax machines. Okay, that's it.
Yes, enough.
Okay, very good. I also agree with you. Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
Miss.
Mr. Amin. Okay, okay, give me a second. One second. This is already correct. Here. Okay, there you go. Oke, jadi yang produk dari perusahaan yang tempat kerjanya si Tom itu adalah perlengkapan kantor yang seperti kalkulator dan juga mesin fax ya. Oke. That's number 8. Let's move on to number I. Okay, there you go. Now, what is the specialty of Anna's company? Nah, kemudian sekarang ditanya, apa sih spesialisasi perusahaan tempat Anna bekerja? Okay, let's hear from Dani, guys.
Okay. What the specialty for Anna company? Tadi clue-nya apa ya?
Okay,
Maaf,
what
Miss.
is the specialty of Anna's company? Okay, repeat again.
Coba di teksnya boleh nggak, Miss?
Okay, before we go, you repeat after me, okay? What is
Okay.
the specialty of Anna's company?
What is the specialty of Anna's company?
Okay, let's check it out. Okay, what Anna say about her company? Okay. Nothing. Okay. First page. All right. Right there. Anna number 7. Okay, there you go, Danny.
Yes.
We are in the service business. Okay. We specialize in blah blah blah.
Repairing computer.
All right, let's go back to the question. Answer the full sentence. Okay. So number I. Okay, so number I is. What is the specialty of Anna's company? Okay, so Anna's company.
Anna's company.
Okay. Is Specialized in
Specialized in repairing computer.
repairing. Okay, very good. I also agree with you. Okay, thank you, Danny. Okay, so Anna's company is specialized in repairing computers. Jadi perusahaan tempat Ana bekerja itu adalah spesialisasinya itu adalah perbaikan computers. Okay. Now let's move on to number J. How is the economy at the moment? Oke, bagaimana sih keadaan ekonomi saat ini? Oke. Let's hear from Mr. Amin, okay?
How? What's the question?
Number J,
Yes.
is the economy at the moment? Bagaimana keadaan ekonomi saat ini?
Oh, it's very slow. The economy now is slow.
Okay. So the economy is
Now is
the
slow, right?
economy
Now
at the moment, because they use the at the
at
moment.
the moment
Is
very slow, right?
very slow. Oke, jadi keadaan ekonominya lagi
Santai,
bukan
pelan,
santai,
pelan,
lagi
lesu.
ya lesu. Betul. Oke, yes. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Amin. Oke, jadi perekonomian lagi lesu ya. Jadi semua apa sepi kira-kira gitu. Ada bahasa Indonesianya ya. Lesu, sepi begitu. Oke. So, okay. Okay. Now move on to number K. What happened to Tom's employees when they are not busy? Apa nih yang terjadi dengan pegawainya Tom? Maksudnya pegawai yang di bawah bawahannya Tom ya. Saat mereka itu tidak sibuk. Let's hear from Miss Lily.
What happened to Tom's employees when they are not busy? Tom's employees.
Okay. Tom's employees. Okay.
Tend to be bored.
Tend to be bored. Yes.
When they are not busy.
They are not busy. Yes. Oke. Jadi pegawainya Tom ini kalau lagi tidak sibuk ya, tidak ada kerjaan begitu, merasa sangat bosan ya. Oke, very good. Thank you, Miss Lily. Oke. Jadi mereka merasa bosan ya, karena seperti tidak ada tantangan ya, tidak ada kesibukan. Oke. Alright, very good. Now, let's move on to number L. Why does Anna hate the slow day? Mengapa si Anna tidak suka, membenci seperti itu ya, hari-hari yang lesu, yang sepi gitu ya. A slow day. Okay, anybody else wants to try? Okay. We can go up and then check on the conversation to figure out the answers together. Okay. Okay. Why does Anna hate a slow day? Okay. Let's hear from Mr. Amin again.
Okay.
Does anybody else?
Repeat question.
Why does Anna hate a slow day?
Oh, benci apa? Dia
Hari
benci
yang
apa?
sepi, lesu
Oh,
ya.
lesu,
So Anna
benci.
has a slow day because
Because he more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do.
repeat again, please. Because
Because he nothing he because is he more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do.
okay, let's check together. So the rest of the class knows, so they know where you find the answer. Okay, let's check it
Oh,
out
ya.
together. Okay,
Dia
all right.
benci ya.
Yes. Okay, Anna, where's Anna? Anna.
Ya, anak. Dia benci harinya. Berarti apa ya?
Oh, okay. There you go. Okay, there. Tense. Anna's dialect number 10.
Iya.
Yes.
Anak is frustrating then sitting idle with nothing to do.
Okay.
Maksudnya dia
Then
frustasi, duduk aja ya.
not this. Nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do.
Tidak
The
ada
days
apa-apa
seem so
kerjain.
long. Oke, jadi si Ana berkata di sini, ya,
Saya frustasi.
duduk diam tidak ada yang dikerjakan itu adalah sesuatu yang
Membosankan.
frustrasi, membuat frustrasi itu bahasa Indonesianya apa ya, frustrasi itu ya.
Sukses ya.
Jadi duduk diam, tidak ada yang dikerjakan itu adalah sesuatu yang membosankan, yang membuat frustrasi, rasa begitu ya, kata si Ana. Kemudian hari-hari terasa sangat panjang.
The day seems so long.
So why Anna hates that days? Because
it's nothing to do.
And another one.
Anna had this because he have nothing to do.
Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Because
he nothing to do.
Because there is, okay, there is nothing to do. Nothing to do, and the days
seem so long.
Okay, the days seem so long. Oke, karena tidak ada yang dikerjakan sehingga harinya itu terasa sangat panjang. Oke,
Iya,
very
nggak
good.
bisa jalan. Waktunya nggak bisa lambat.
Betul. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. Amin.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
so let's see. That's easy, guys. Like Mr. Amin, he can make a conclusion, okay, out of the conversation. Okay, so that's really easy. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so this is number L. Okay, let's move on to number M. What is Tom's department currently doing? Okay, nah, apa yang sedang dilaksanakan? Apa sih yang sedang terjadi di departemen yang ditangani oleh si Tom saat ini? Okay. All right, let's hear from Miss Lily.
What is Tom's department currently doing? Tom department currently doing
Is currently what's that doing? Is currently something Let's check it out.
Updating
It's updating.
their
Updating.
computer system.
Okay, updating the computer systems. Computer systems. Yes. Okay. All right, very good. I also agree with Miss Lily, guys. So, jadi saat ini departemen yang ditangani oleh si Tom ini sedang melakukan pengkinian data ya. Bukan pengkinian sistem komputer di sistem komputerisasinya. Oke. Alright, very good. Thank you, Miss Lily. Okay, guys. Last question for the comprehension text. Okay. What does Tom hope to learn in the next session? Apa yang diharapkan oleh Tom? Apa yang Tom harapkan untuk apa yang diharapkan Tom untuk dipelajari di sesi seminar berikutnya. Oke. Apa yang Tom harapkan untuk dipelajari. Oke, number N. Alright. Only so Miss Lily or Mr. Amin is taking care of the comprehension test for the rest of the class. Okay. Let's hear from Mr. Amin.
Wow, it's the end. Repeat the question.
Okay, what does Tom hope to learn
Oh.
in the next session? Okay,
Oh,
after the break time, okay, they're gonna have a session after that. That's what they're talking about. Okay, let's check it out together.
Tom wants to make position impression on other and gain visibility and influences in the workplace.
Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so on Tom's dialogue number 12, it's Tom say like this. Okay, the topic of the next session, blah, 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 seems to be really interesting. Okay, now we better not miss any part of it. Let's get back to our seats so that we can learn how to bring out the best in ourselves as well as our employees. Okay. Nah, jadi Tom berkata, ya topik sesi berikutnya ini kedengarannya sangat menarik. Oke, topiknya disebutkan yang yang hurufnya ini ya, yang huruf italic ini, oke. Nah, jadi dia bilang, oh sesi berikutnya ini kedengarannya topiknya tuh menarik ya. We better not miss any part of it. Jangan sampai kita ketinggalan ya, jangan sampai ada bagian yang tertinggal kita, maksudnya telat masuk gitulah, oke. Ayo kita masuk, oke, kembali ke tempat duduk kita sehingga kita dapat mempelajarinya, oke. Sehingga kita dapat we can learn, oke, sehingga kita dapat mempelajari bagaimana cara untuk, oke. Bagaimana cara untuk bring out the best, oke, maksudnya menggali hal terbaik dalam diri kita, juga dalam ada menggali hal-hal yang terbaik dari pegawai kita. Oke, you got it?
Okay.
Yes. What do you think is the answer?
How to make the position, yeah. Tom is how to make the position invention, yeah.
Okay, what does Tom hope to learn?
Tom learn to make position invention on other and gain visibility and influence in the place, yeah, like this, yeah.
Oh, okay. So actually that is jadi ini yang tulisannya ini yang tulisan miring ini adalah judul dari
Oh, berarti
topik.
inilah.
Jadi
Oh,
judul topik berikutnya bukan yang itu
oh,
ya. Oke.
berarti Tom learn how to bring out the best in ourselves as well as our employees.
Yes, correctly. Oke, so jadi dia berharap, oke dengan ayo kita cepat balik ke tempat duduk kita. Jadi kita dapat mempelajari bagaimana apa di call, tadi jadi kita dapat mempelajari bagaimana menjadi yang terbaik dalam diri kita dan juga menggali yang terbaik, menggali hal-hal yang terbaik dalam diri kita sendiri dan juga dari pegawai kita, So
Okay.
let's go back and then let's
Thank you, Miss.
answer the full question. Answer. Okay. All right, so what does Tom hope to learn? Okay, so Tom hopes
Tom
to learn
learn
what?
to
How
learn how to bring out the best
to bring out the best
in ourselves.
in how to bring the best out of to bring the best out in himself, in
In himself. Oh, dia sendiri.
and his employees.
And his
Yes.
employee.
Yes, so bring out also from himself and then his own employees. Very good. All
Okay.
right. Thank
Thank
you,
you, Miss.
Mr. Amin. Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay. Okay. So that's the end for the comprehension test. Okay, a comprehension test talking about how much you understand about the conversation that happens between Anna and Tom. Okay, now we have a little discussion. Okay, this is based on your experience. Okay, and then your knowledge. Okay, so your personal suggestion, ideas like that. Okay, so it's really. Okay, so let's move on to number 8. Why do people go to seminars? Oke, kira-kira menurut kamu apa sih alasan kok orang-orang itu menghadiri seminar? Oke, oke, cool. Let's hear from Shirley.
Okay.
All right.
Here are some reasons why people attend seminars.
Okay, number 8.
Personal development.
Okay, why do people go to seminar? Okay, people go to seminar.
The main reason people go to seminar is person 1. There is 3 reasons, I think.
Okay,
It's personal development,
for self-development,
career advancement,
career, what is that? Assessment
and business development.
Okay, so business development. Okay.
Business development means networking.
Okay, business development or networking. Okay, so that's what Shirley think, guys. Okay, she thinks that people go to seminars for self-development, that way you learn something new skill, new knowledge, new technologies. Okay, and then also for career assessment, maybe you need some improvement, some points, anything to get a higher position. And then also for business development, I mean, like for networking, new
Networking, motivation,
yes.
experience,
Oh yes, okay. So you have experiences with new companies.
motivation.
Yes, very good. Also agree. Yes, that makes sense, huh? Okay, I also agree with Shirley. Okay, very good. Okay. Where are the
Thank
rest?
you, Miss.
Okay, where are the rest of the people that interest to do the discussion? Okay, this is an interesting discussion that. Okay, so. All right, let's check it out. Okay, thank you, Shirley. Okay, so that's the ideas of from Shirley, guys. Okay, so she thinks that itu adalah alasan people kalau orang menghadiri seminar tuh alasannya adalah untuk self development, maksudnya untuk apa ya? Membangun memperbaiki diri, oke, mendapatkan pengalaman baru, entah itu what do you call, untuk persyaratan kenaikan pangkat mungkin, atau untuk menambah koneksi dengan orang-orang yang hadir di dalam seminar tersebut. Oke, cool. Okay, number B, what is leadership? Why is it so important? Okay, apa sih leadership itu? Mengapa sih sangat penting leadership itu? All right, let's hear from. Okay, Shirley again. Okay, anybody else wanna give any ideas what you think of leadership? Apa sih tentang kepemimpinan itu, mengapa sih kepemimpinan itu penting kira-kira? Okay then, let's hear from Shirley. This is the discussion between me and Shirley. Okay, it'll be more interesting if you guys
It's me
involve.
again.
Yes. Okay, yes, I know, Shirley. Don't you want to hear from other people ideas? Yes, but only you have the guts to spill. Okay, right now. Okay, maybe they're not ready yet. Okay. Anyway, let's do it. So, what do you
Okay.
think? So, what is leadership to you?
Leadership is the ability to lead, direct, and motivate others to achieve goals.
Mm. Okay, so leadership. Okay, is the ability to direct or to direct
and motivate others to achieve goals.
Okay, to motivate others to
achieve goals.
a specific goals. Yes. All right.
And why it is so important?
Why?
It's important because it can inspire other people.
Okay, because it inspires
generate enthusiasm
others, and then generate what is it? Repeat, please.
Enthusiasm.
Generate
orang-orang
and
motivation in the team.
Enthusiasm. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. Enthusiasm. Okay. It's in E-N.
SIASM.
Yes, enthusiasm, and then
and motivation in the team.
Okay, and to inspire others, enthusiasm and motivation in the team. Okay, cool. Very good. Okay, that's a complete idea from Shirley, guys. Okay, thank you, Shirley.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, jadi menurut Shirley ya, leadership itu adalah kemampuan untuk mengarahkan dan juga memotivasi orang lain untuk mencapai tujuan tertentu. Ini sangat penting karena ini akan memberikan inspirasi bagi orang lain, juga akan membentuk antusiasme, oke, dan juga motivasi dalam tim. Okay, cool. Number B for that. Okay, number C. How can a slow economy affect us? Okay. Bagaimana sih perekonomian yang sepi, yang lesu itu berpengaruh kepada kita? Okay. Let's hear from Miss Lily. Okay. Okay, let's finish this discussion. We only have 2 questions left. Okay. Miss Lily. Okay, there she is. Number C, please.
How can a slow economy affect us?
Affect us. So, a slow economy affect us. How? Slow economy can affect us by
Usually,
affect us.
the price of goods high.
Okay, by the slow economy can affect us by imposing a higher price
Of the goods.
Price of goods, main goods. Yeah, what do you?
Main goods.
By imposing. Okay. Is there by main what do you call main itu maksudnya bahan pokok ya?
Yeah.
Okay, main goods. Because bahan pokok di setiap negara kan berbeda-beda ya. Okay. By impose. Okay. Main goods. Okay, so we can just say main goods right now. Okay. Okay. I guess that's how the slow economy. Okay. Karena harga barang tinggi sehingga peredaran uang di dalam masyarakat akhirnya berkurang ya. Okay, that's how inflation. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Lily. Okay, so that's the idea of the slow economy. Okay, last one. How do you like to spend your day at work? Okay, let's hear from Jennifer. Okay, how do you like to spend your day at work, Jane?
I like to spend my day at work with learning something new, such as create the give the task based on the supervisor need what need to do and to achieve the deadlines.
Okay,
Not
let's
only that, but
uh,
also I spend some of the hours at
mhm.
for a meeting.
Oh, okay. I like to. Okay. So, do you like being in a meeting?
Yes,
How
every
do you
day.
do? Yes. By okay. So I like to spend my day at work by having having meeting. Okay. Can you repeat again? What else you do? Okay.
Um, I like to spend my day at work by
Mm.
create the tasks based on the supervisor needs to achieve the deadlines.
Okay. Having meeting with the task manager. Is it
Yes,
the task
yes.
managers more than one? Is it or what? With the task
Um,
manager to achieve
Deadlines.
to achieve the deadline. Okay, that's it. Wow, a lot of work,
Yes.
huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's based of my experience.
oh, okay, very good. Okay, that's what happened in Jane's day life. Yes, work
Yes,
life. Yes.
that's
Okay,
true.
very good. Thank you for sharing, Jane.
Welcome.
Okay, you're welcome. Oke, jadi di sehari-hari nih kalau kalau Jane lagi kerja dia itu kebanyakan itu dia suka kebanyakan melakukan rapat dengan manajer-manajer tertentu yang terkait dengan tugas-tugas yang harus diselesaikan sebelum deadline ya, sebelum waktunya tiba. Okay, so that's nice to hear from the opinion of others. Yes, we can learn from each other. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, thank you for sharing, and then thank you for joining the class, guys. It's 8:08. Okay. I'll end the class. Next week, we'll continuing with the grammar review. Okay, the material already sent to the class by the on the PDF. Okay, please learn that before we discuss it together in the class. Okay, it's about conjunction. There are some exercises already. Try to do it yourself before we meet up, so you have any ideas what we're talking about. Okay, then that's gonna be more helpful, and then improving your knowledge and then skills. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for joining. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
You're
See you
welcome.
next
You're
week.
welcome.